Hello everyone, welcome to online classes. So students, today we are going to discuss your science chapter which is light. So let's start. Suppose you have lost a coin in your room and unfortunately your current has gone. Can you find that coin? The answer is no. Why? Because we cannot see any object in dark. Okay, so one thing which helps us to see various objects is light. Okay, so one things which is makes various object visible is light. So this is our first chapter of physics, light, reflection and refraction. Okay, so let's go through the topic. So first thing, what is light? Okay, so light is a form of energy is which is used to visible the things. Okay, what is light? It is a form of energy. It is a form of energy that that produces the sensation of sight. Okay, the sensation of sight, which means light is used to make things visible. Okay, you can see this sketch because of light. Okay, we can see these letters because of light. So by the help of light we can see this beautiful world. Okay, so before some years or many years, when science has not developed fully, the scientists have think light have only particle nature. Okay, light have only particle nature means light consists of small particles like matter. Okay, like matter consists of so many particles. Similarly, light also consists of small particles, which is known as particle nature, which is known as particle nature of light. But when there are developments of science, we know light have particle nature as well as another nature which is known as wave nature. Okay, this is wave nature. So light have both particle nature as well as wave nature. Okay, so light have dual nature. Light have dual nature. Okay, so if there is a question, what do you mean by dual nature of light? Then the answer is light have both particle nature as well as wave nature. This is known as dual nature of light. Okay, why this wave nature has discovered? Because there are so many phenomena which we cannot explain when we consider only the particle nature of light. For example, there is a phenomenon which is known as diffraction. Okay, so what is diffraction? See, if this is a very small object, or this may be a opening, okay, a small hole. If light comes like this, then what will happen? Then light will bend around the corners. Okay, also in this case, light to bend. This phenomenon of bending of light is called diffraction. Okay, so this phenomenon cannot explain when we consider the particle nature of light. So we have to consider light as a wave. Okay, so your next topic is reflection of light. What is reflection? So what is reflection? Reflection is the phenomenon of bending of light from the medium to which it is originated. Okay, so if we see our face on a mirror, this is only due to the reflection of light. Okay, so this is known as a reflection. It is the phenomenon of returning back of light when it strike to a polished surface or polished plane surface. Okay, so this is called reflection of light. When light comes and falls on a polished surface or plane surface, then it gets back into the same medium. This phenomenon is known as reflection. Okay, so there is another phenomenon which is known as refraction. In that case, light will go to another medium. Okay, this is medium 1, this is medium 2. Light goes from one medium to another. This is called refraction, which is our next topic. Okay, so after the reflection, we have to know what are the laws of reflection. So laws, there are two laws, first law and second law. First law is, if this is a mirror and this ray is incident ray and this ray will be our reflected ray and this is the normal. Normal is perpendicular to the mirror. This is the mirror. This is incident ray. This is reflected ray and this is normal. Okay, so what is first law? First law is, this incident ray, reflected ray and the normal are all lie in one plane or one point. Okay, this is first law. What is second law? Second law is, this angle and this angle are equal. This is represented by angle I and this is by R. So angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction. This is the second law of reflection. Okay, so there is another topic after this. This is image formation by plane mirror. Okay, so what are the properties when the image is formed in a plane mirror? Suppose this is a plane mirror and this is an object. Okay, and you can see your image behind the mirror. So first point is, this image is virtual. Image is virtual. What does it mean? This means we cannot cut this image on a screen. We cannot cut on a screen. Okay, so next point is the object distance is equal to the image distance. Okay, object distance is equal to image distance. Then next point is the image is erect. Okay, image is erect. Erect means straight. Okay, as the object is straight, the image is also straight. Next is same height. Both have same height. Image height is equal to the object height. And the last one is laterally inverted or lateral inversion takes place in case of image formed by a plane mirror. What does it mean? It means the left side of the object becomes the right and the right side becomes the left. Okay, so these are the properties of image formed by a plane mirror. In our next class we will see the spherical mirror. Thank you for watching.